Welcome to Business Bytes. I am Neo Maruatuna. The JSE ended the day up by 1.5% on 30,787 points. We spoke to Chris Hart from Investment Solutions looking at PMI data out today.
And we need to say the manufacturing PMI here rose to 52 above expectations with a strong currency. Okay, and it's supposed to be manufacturing that's really hit hard by weak currency. And I'm not saying it's not, but same thing.
But the evidence comes to the contrary.
China also, same thing. PMI strengthens and its currency has also been strengthening. And I think one needs to reflect that a strong currency is not necessarily just a bad thing. There are quite a few positives that come with a strong currency, and I think we need to look at that and leverage off it, because I think we can actually generate quite a bit of investment off a strong currency platform, but we need to just to look at a strategy.
Today, the NSE was up by 0.37% to close at 24,856 points. We spoke to Gubi Momo from UBA looking at the Naira.
Yes, I anticipate that the Naira will remain stable across the year end, and I agree that there will be some appreciation. Typically, towards December, what we see are increased inflows from Nigerians in the diaspora, and then there are also returning Nigerians coming on holiday, and they tend to ensure that the parallel market stays stable for people who want to buy from autonomous sources. As for supply from the central bank, what we've seen so far is at the end of the last 3 months, there's been an appreciation of the Naira. The Naira appreciated end of September, appreciated end of October, and this week again, end of November, we saw an appreciation of 25 kobo from the CBN.
The NSE 20 closed on at 1% to stand at 4,395 points. We spoke to Bernard Kiari from Africa Investment Bank looking at the downward trend on the market.
I think the downward trend is expected as we move towards the festive season. I think this is the period at which we begin seeing a lot of supply in the market as investors begin selling off their shares so that they can be able to probably take up the festive season mood. And also early next year also we should be able to see a bit of the downward trend as investors continue to sell off their shares as the school opens, so they should be able to take care of their school fees and everything.
For more news and videos, go to abndigital.com.